You ever wondered what the inside of a clone 660 looked like next to the inside of a OEM 660? We did it. We've got a nice low hour OEM 660 here. We've got our new Neo-Tec clone 660 here. It's been started twice, about a quarter tank ran through it. And we did a really nice side-by-side comparison. Really digging in, seeing what these things are made of. Full video getting loaded up on the YouTube channel, the Stihl Shack. Make sure to check it out. If we missed anything, if you want to see a comparison, leave a comment.